Large holders, always so important to track what they're doing. Large holders of Shiba Inu now really shifting here as 767 billion SHIB has been shifted by Shiba Inu whales or large holders, and volume has jumped up 66%. We're going to dive into some specifics, why this is important, all of this in this video. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back by the channel. Hopefully you had a fantastic weekend. Just so much going on right now in crypto. It's never a dull moment, man. I absolutely love it. So I just am so grateful you guys come back to the channel every single day. If you're new here, guys, really, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. We're here every single day for you, breaking you down everything we can in the markets. So with that being said, let's dive into some of the specifics here and talk about what's going on here with SHIB. And let me just change my windows up here a little bit. Whoopsies. Okay, there we go. Let me move this over. There we go. A little bit of housekeeping here. Boom. All right, there we go. Okay, here we go. Let's dive in because on-chain analytics firm, guess who, Into the Block, shows a huge transaction volume of SHIB in the last 24 hours in terms of volume, 767 billion. Now, what's happening here? Well, we're seeing a lot more huge transactions, and we refer to those of anything over 100,000, okay? And now, this could be buying and selling pressure, okay? But it also might be related to a recent large movement of SHIB made by above-mentioned large holders here, and we're seeing retail demand follow a little bit. So after a sharp drop back on June 10th to lows below the 506 level, SHIB rebounded to trade in a range of about the mid-sixes, and then yesterday we exploded up to the 7.5 level. Well, now SHIB is seeing a mild profit-taking kind of place point here as some of the gains are easing at the moment. And again, a lot of people bought that dip in the high fives, 505. And according to CoinMarketCap data right now, SHIB is trading at that 7.2 at the time of this writing, a little bit higher here in the last 24 hours and 8% higher in the last 7 days. We're up about 9% in the last 7 days. We could see it right here. And look at that volume surge, though, up about 13%. So that is good to see. Trading still at that 7.1 level, down 4% in the last 24 hours. But look at that spike there in the last 7 days. Again, coming down here from the 6.5 range. If you go out even a month, this was the big drop down here to the 5.9, actually hit to the 5.7 level, depending on where you're looking here. That was back on the 10th of June. We have since started climbing back out of that hole, but that's why we're seeing a lot of this money being shifted right now by large holders. A lot of people bought the dip, a lot of people scalping, taking a little bit of profits off the table, which is totally normal here in a bear market. But we're also watching to see if these whales go ahead and buy at these new levels. We talked about this yesterday. This was a very big point for Shiba Inu to get back over this 7 range. That was a very strong price range because a lot of people have accumulated their Shiba Inu right around this area, and it's acted as support and resistance here over the past year and a half. So if we can maintain ourselves above this 7 level and we start to see some big buys come in from Shiba Inu whales, this really gets us excited, and we could probably see another burst back up to the 8.6, 8.7, maybe even into the 9 range where we were before the big price drop happened just about 9-10 days ago. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that this week, of course, and we've got you covered right here on the channel. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.